In this video, I'm going to be discussing Notcoin. Is Notcoin worth buying from technical analysis and then fundamental analysis? So don't miss out on anything. Watch this video to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about cryptocurrency, day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Right here we see Notcoin just came into the market just few days ago and the market is doing greatly. And if you look at it, Notcoin was mined. And let's go through the fundamental analysis or the on-chain analysis of Notcoin, whether it is still worth buying or not right now. So we know that a lot of person got this coin from mining. Okay, so a lot of coin were distributed and to the miners. And if you can look at it right here, we have 24% in the next 24 hours increase right here. And this is a massive increase. And not only that, it is a 24-hour increase and occupy the 13th position by 24 hours increase. Okay, right now on CoinMarketCap. And the market capitalization of this very coin, if you look at it right here, this is the fully diluted market cap, which is very, very significant. This is $912 million. Not only that, if you look at the market capitalization right here and the 24-hour trading volume, they are very, very significant. This is $1.3 billion right here. And then if you look at this and if you look at the circulating supply, one of the most important thing you need to note about Notcoin is the circulating supply. We have 102 billion NOT in circulation. And one most important thing you must have to check when looking at if a coin is going to do well or not is the coin that is in circulation. I am not saying that those ones that don't have enough supply will not going to do well, but if you look at Notcoin here, the circulating supply is 102 billion and the total supply is the same and the max supply is also the same. What this means is that all of the max supply and total supply is in circulation right now. Everything is in circulation. What it means is that everything is in the market, is in the hand of buyers and sellers. There is no lock period. That means we are not expecting not team to release further notes in the future. And what this also means is that the cap is already full. Okay, so they've released all the coin, so we're not expecting any other coin to come into the market, which can further bring down the price of NOT from where it is right now to the downside. So if you look at it, this is a very integral part if you want to do accurate fundamental and on-chain analysis for any coin. So if a coin have a total supply of 102 billion and everything is in circulation, that means everything is in the hand of the buyers and sellers. It means it's a great hold. Not only that, if you look at it, Ton is the blockchain to which Notcoin is being hosted, and Ton blockchain is one of the booming blockchain or ecosystem right now, so it will definitely do well. My stake, which is very personal on Notcoin, is that it's going to do very, very well, even above people expectations. So it's going to be amazing. So what that means is if you did not get this coin from mining and airdrop and some stuff like that or launch pool, it is a best time for you to just pick some of this coin into your portfolio because it's going to do greatly well. So if you look at the price right now, this is 0.0089, and for me it is still very undervalued for you to buy this coin right now and put in your portfolio. And the two most important factor based on on-chain data is because of the circulating supply, the max supply, and the total supply is the same. Everything is in circulation, and we're not expecting this team to release any further token. If you look at it right here, we have 100% circulating supply, which means the circulating supply is equal to the max supply and equal to the total supply right at this area, as you can see right here. And another thing, which is the second key on-chain analysis is the Ton ecosystem, which is a new ecosystem, and it is pulling more attraction right now in the market. So you must have to actually pay attention to Ton network and other coins that are listed on the Ton network. For example, in this very case, Notcoin. This is very, very important, and this is a specific on-chain data that is at hand right now that you can work with for us to say that this coin is going to do massively well. Now let's move on to technical analysis. Let's look at it right here. If you see a coin that was listed at this very price, if you look at it, if I bring it down a little bit, coin was listed at this very price on Binance. This was about 0.001, and the coin pumped up to this very area of 0.037, let's say, for example. And let's say nobody grabbed the coin as a result of liquidity and spike in the market, and the coin come back to the downside to this very level of 0.008. And afterward, the market did not go down to its listing price, okay? Because if its listing price was at this very point of 0.001 or 0.0008, and then the market is still revolving around this area. If you pick your Fibonacci tool, which is Fibonacci retracement from this very point, and you draw from here to this very area right here, it is covered that this market have not retraced up to 50% retracement, considering the close of this candle right here. So if you look at it, market retrace up to this very point. This is the 50% mark right here, and begin to move aggressively to the upside day before yesterday and yesterday, and right now we're seeing this little correction. So this is very important. So it is good for you to get this very token based on technical analysis into your portfolio. And if you look at where the market is right now, if you notice, market has already pumped aggressively to the upside. So what I am personally expecting right now is very, very simple. This market obviously is going to still move to the upside, no doubt, but as markets do move, it will not move parabolically to the upside. It will move just like we can see right now, and then a little push to the upside is needed. Then retracement is going to come into the market, and then it's going to move as well, just like that. I am expecting this movement to continue in a progressive formation as we begin to see this coin gain more attraction. So the more adoption for Notcoin, the more is going to pump in the market. So if you are holding Notcoin right now, either you get it from airdrop or you bought it on an exchange, it is the best time for you to hold it tight, because this coin is going to do massively well based on technical analysis and also on-chain data that we can see right here on CoinMarketCap. So this is very important. So if you are thinking of whether you should buy Notcoin or not into your portfolio, I can say from this data and from my other findings that Notcoin is one of the coins that you can get into your portfolio right now, and it's going to do very well in this very bull market. Support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. If you've not registered on Binance, Bybit, OKX, and KuCoin, check the description. You see the link down below, and register with those exchanges and claim all the bonuses. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.